Hi everyone, let's make this beautiful flower lamp. All you need is some sticks, jute rope and empty plastic bottle. So cut the shape of the petal, cover it using this net fabric, bend it like this, your petal is ready. Now cut the plastic bottle and paste all the petals around it. Put it on this wire like this, put the bulb inside, switch on the light and look, your beautiful flower lamp is ready. We're going to make this jute artwork, so cut 10 cm jute rope and make petals, put it on this fabric and cut it like this. After this we're going to cut the extra parts, bend it and make this beautiful flower, so all of them together your flower is ready. Let's make this empty container using this cardboard box. So take this cardboard box, cut a circle and draw lines on it. Here we are going to cut a pentagon shape. This is a very easy method. You can measure it like this and cut it. Cut two such pentagon shape, cover it using fabric, paste sticks around it, bend all of the sticks and cover it using jute rope. Decorate it with flowers and your container is ready. Put candies inside it. We are going to make this wall clock, so cut the circle from cardboard, cover it using jute rope. Similar way we are going to make this beautiful flower stick using jute rope and wire. Decorate it using these flowers. Now we are also cutting these structures for more decorations. Now we are going to paste all the numbers around the clock like this. Paste minute and second hand at the center and look, your wall clock is ready. Let's make laundry basket. All we need is some plastic lid, sticks, cloth and jute fabric. We are going to cover the lid using fabric and paste sticks around it like this. Now cover it using this jute rope. We are going to bend the stick and start braiding it like this and look, your basket is ready. You can add this beautiful lace for more decoration and handle as well. Put your laundry inside it and look, it is ready. You can make it at home. Look at this beautiful lamp, let's make it. We are going to bend this wire, cover it using jute rope and cut the net cloth and your petals are ready. Paste all the petals in a flower shape. Now take this empty glass bottle, cover it using this jute rope. Now put the flower inside it, switch on the light, your lamp is ready. We are going to make these coffee coasters with a very easy method. We are going to roll this thread. Now put it on the top of this fabric for more support and cut it in a circle form like this. Now paste this jute fabric at the base, cut it and bend it as well. Now cut 10 cm rope and paste it around the circle like this. After this cover it more, add more details and untangle all the thread. Cut the extra part, paste a lace and look, your coasters are ready. We're going to make this tissue paper box, so cut this cardboard and paste sticks around it. Now cover it using this jute fabric. Put more lace around it and braid the jute rope around the sticks like this. Cover the lid, put it inside it and look, your tissue box is ready. Put tissue paper inside it. Let's make this beautiful flower using jute fabric. So cut this rectangular piece of fabric and remove some thread, fold it and roll it. Your flower is ready. Now we are going to cut 8 to 9 cm threads and roll all of them and make a petal shape like this. Put the flower on the top of it, paste a pearl and your flowers are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.